Just going to say that if you have to pick a day, Saturday is going to be the better day because while rain chances are in the forecast, it's going to be a lot lower coverage on Saturday when compared to Sunday. Sunday looks a little bit more dreary. Let's go ahead and take a look at that weekend forecast. Today, sunshine, high of 92. It is going to be muggy out there, so if you're spending time outside, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. I know the temperatures won't be in the triple digits, but with that high humidity, man, it's going to feel sticky out. 96 degrees on Saturday, 91 on Sunday. Rain coverage goes up to 60% coverage on Sunday. That's why I'm telling you, if you are going to pick a day to spend some time outside, I think Saturday is going to be more the day to do so. 92 degrees the high today in Dallas, 93 in Fort Worth, about 91 in Denton, Decatur, 89 in McKinney. That's where we see a little cloud cover hanging out for longer periods of time. The cloud cover is going to break. It's just going to take some time before we see that. We do have an ozone action day. What that means is that we are expecting higher levels of ozone in our atmosphere throughout the day today. So if you have sensitive respiratory issues, you may want to consider spending less time outside. Radar showing rain to the south of us. I think most of the rain stays south. That's where that brief 10% comes from. Otherwise, we are looking dry today. That's where the front is that we saw come through a couple days ago. I'm watching this though. You can see it there across Kansas into northern Missouri. That's our next system that comes in. It's going to hold off until Sunday going into Monday, and by the time it gets here, it's going to slow down. What's happening is that we're kind of right in the middle of between two high pressure systems. This allows this window to open up and systems to come through the middle part of the U.S. And that's why we have another round of rain coming for Sunday into Monday. By the time that front gets here, it's going to interact with that Gulf moisture and it's going to slow down, which is why we have not just better rain chances, but a longer period of rain chances. Like I mentioned before, 60% coverage on Sunday, 90% coverage on Monday, 80% coverage on Tuesday, and then it starts to dwindle down Wednesday into the end of next week. We're looking at the best rain chance that we have had in months here in North Texas. Just about everyone gets to see the rain. So let's go ahead and time it out for you. This is Saturday around noon. Most of us dry. It will be a little on the cloudy side, but hey, at least that keeps us out of the triple digits, right? And then it's Saturday around 5. We see a little bit more rain added into the mix closer towards Interstate 20. We are expecting a bit more widespread rain come Sunday. So this is now showing you Sunday around 7 in the morning. We see that rain first along areas of the Red River. It starts to dip a little bit more, include more of the Metroplex, areas south of the Metroplex as well through the afternoon and evening on Sunday. Monday morning, it looks to be a little messy with the morning commute, so that's something to keep in the back of your mind as you're preparing for next week. We're not looking at any big severe weather threat, but we are looking at moderate to heavy rainfall, and that is going to really cause some issues on our roadways. Other than that, we're looking at beneficial rainfall Monday. I'm still going here through Tuesday. This is Tuesday afternoon. Look at that, almost widespread rain for us. We have the potential to pick up anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of rain. Some locations could even see localized higher amounts than that. Again, we need more rain than that to get out of the drought, but this is certainly going to put a dent in our drought. We're also watching this system now in the Bay of Campeche, 60% coverage, 60% chance of development in the next 5 days. So that'll be something to watch midweek next week. But look at that, 80s in August. I'm here for it, Sonia.
We've been asking for it. All right.